Hey guys, how you doing? Great. Anyway, I just want to put this out there to kind of show you the process of the non-linears. In this case, it's Flame, and what we're going to do is do an IMF export. Now, Grant K has done an unbelievable job over on the Flame Learning channel. Guarantee you, go and check out this channel. It's unbelievable. He does such a brilliant job. So I'm just going to go very quickly through this. It's like a minute. This one is, 10 minutes of detailed exploration of it all. But I just want to kind of go over this quite quickly in the series that we're doing. So the way this is possible is that they've ganged up with a company called EasyDCP, who have been around forever, who have done digital cinema packages, and the stuff's amazing. So they've actually done the plugin for Flame to do it. The current version of Flame on subscription, you can actually just get it with a watermark into it. But if you need to do the deliverables, then do that as well. So here we go, jump over to Flame. Now, very, very simple. I mean, this is very visual what I'm trying to do here. But what you need to do is that you need to come up and export out your sequence. Some people will throw it in. I just do it nice and quick. I'm going to put this up onto my desktop, go to my distribution packages. And this is new in 2020.1. It's not sequence publish or movies or anything like that. You'll find it down here in the package. And you come here, you've got a couple that you can choose from. So yeah, depending on where you're going to, we're focusing on broadcast at this stage, so it's more than likely going to be 709 and 422 at this stage. Everything at this stage is kind of HD. There's not really a demand for UHD for commercials, but maybe in the future that will happen. Once you select that, you want to come through to your movie options, and I've selected my 422. I've done a lossy one at 100 at this stage, so 100 megabits is what we're kind of heading for. Again, the SMPTE 2121-1 is going to be looking at ProRes. This is still looking at JPEG 2000, so things might change a little bit. Come down to here, you don't need to really touch any of this because it's all HD native. Your clip options, this is something that we'll explore in detail, I think, when the plugin matures. This isn't going into more of the content creator, the other ones that we've seen in previous versions of Resolve and other ones. And in your preferences, this is where the demo license is. So if you need to install a license, you click that. You request a license and all that sort of fun stuff as well. So here we're going to make it into an advertisement, and we don't have a subtitle file, and we don't have a pattern of this or the file name. So happy days, ready to go. One thing I did see is that if I had my LUT turned on, it would actually fail because I'm actually not doing anything clever here. It's just very, very simple. So I'll kind of turn that off and I export it out. So when you export this out, I wanted to show you how Flame via EasyDPC kind of looks at it differently to others. So if I hide that through, and hide that through, you'll see in 1 second, it comes out a folder. And they've named the folder .imp, which is a inoperable media package. So they've done it a little bit different than everyone else, but the container is all the same here as well. So if I double click this out, in Resolve, they do video underscore audio underscore, but this is the older version that we're using. And I think Resolve's kind of migrating to a different way. If I go into my CPL, go into my CPL, oh golly. In my CPL, you'll see that it's all through Autodesk. So previously you could actually edit this sort of stuff. I'm sure in the coming versions you'll be able to do that. In annotations, I couldn't find it simply how to do that either. And the issue is there is Autodesk. I can see how you can actually overwrite that. So that's a very, very quick overview of it. Again, I'll put the link of what Grant's done in the Learning channel, which is a lot deeper diver on IMF, but I'm very, very, very happy that Autodesk is moving this direction. I'm extremely happy that they've got a third-party person who's experienced in immense detail of EasyDCP and what they're doing. So I'm really looking forward to seeing where this product goes. All right, guys, have a great day.